The 360-degree camera market has officially exploded. For years, Insta360 ruled the category unchallenged, but DJI has just entered the ring with the Osmo 360, bringing heavy-hitting specs and serious competition. Today, we're pitting the Insta360 X6 against the DJI Osmo 360 to see which flagship actually claims the crown. Let's dive straight in. Starting with the core imaging hardware. The Insta360 X6 features a dual 1-inch sensor setup. The DJI Osmo 360 utilizes dual 1/1.1-inch sensors, while Insta360's larger sensor gives it an edge in capturing more light. DJI fires back with a wider f/1.9 aperture compared to the X6 f/2.0. That slightly wider opening lets DJI pull in extra light for low light and nighttime shots. When recording in full 360, the Insta360 X6 takes the lead with 8K at 50 frames per second, while DJI tops out at 8K 30 frames per second. That extra frame rate on the X6 delivers much smoother motion for fast-moving action. However, DJI strikes back with 10-bit color depth compared to Insta360's 8-bit. For professional color grading and smoother color transitions, DJI has a clear advantage. If you care about stills, DJI dominates photography with a massive 120-megapixel photo mode versus Insta360's 72 megapixels. Flip back to video, though, and the Insta360 X6 fights back with a higher 200 megabits per second bitrate compared to DJI's 170 megabits per second, preserving finer details for heavy editors. For endurance and outdoor travel, the Insta360 X6 packs a larger 2,500 mAh battery and charges fully in about 30 minutes. The DJI Osmo 360 features a 1,950 mAh battery, taking roughly 37 minutes to charge. DJI wins on portability, weighing just 183 g compared to Insta360's 204 g. But Insta360 retaliates with a larger 2.5-inch display and superior 15-meter waterproofing over DJI's 10-meter limit. So who wins? Choose the Insta360 X6 if you want smoother 8K 50 frames per second video, longer battery life, higher bit rates, and deep waterproofing. Choose the DJI Osmo 360 if you value 10-bit color, massive 120MP photos, a lighter frame, and superior single-lens action video. Drop a comment on which camera you're picking up, hit subscribe,